Welcome to our Dash Cam Showdown. Today we are comparing two impressive models, the Avilet Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K and the OVAMAN K600. With the increasing need for vehicle safety and monitoring, choosing the right dash cam is crucial. Let's dive into the features and specifications of both products to see how they stack up against each other. The Avilet Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K offers a resolution of 2Ks, providing decent clarity for everyday driving. In contrast, the OVAMAN K600 boasts an impressive 4K resolution for its front camera and 1080p for the rear camera. This means that the OVAMAN captures more detail, making it a better choice for those who prioritize high-definition footage. While both dash cams include loop recording and night vision, the OVAMAN K600 stands out with additional features like built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. The Avilet, on the other hand, is more budget-friendly but lacks some of the advanced functionalities that the OVAMAN offers. When it comes to pricing, the Avilet Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K is significantly more affordable at just $59, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the OVAMAN K600 is priced at $139, reflecting its premium features and higher resolution capabilities. This price difference is an important factor to consider when making your choice. In conclusion, both the Avilet Dash Cam Wi-Fi 2K and the OVAMAN K600 have their strengths and weaknesses. The Avilet is a great budget option with essential features, while the OVAMAN offers superior resolution and advanced functionalities. Consider your needs and budget when making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.